A new range of clothes hides you from surveillance cameras by tricking AI into thinking the wearer is an animal. Now, I didn't know if this was legit or not, okay? This, to me, I was like, are these systems really this easy to fool? And then I'm looking at it, I'm like, is this an art piece or is this legitimate? Because in this video, they show off this range of clothes and somebody's wearing like a giraffe pattern and they're like, boom, look at that. The camera thinks it's a giraffe.
Why is he dancing?
Yeah, go forward more. Like you'll see the actual outfits at some point to protect the biometric. Like there, it's a pattern that's supposed to fool AI. It's supposed to fool cameras into thinking it's an animal, not a person, like through these patterns.
Why do they have to shoot it like that?
Because it's artistic, man. I don't know.
Why can't it just be more
I don't believe that this is how this stuff. I don't know. I don't know, Will.
Well,
somebody
the presentation's kind of off.
To tell me if this is legit or not.
Why are people dancing? Do they have to do that?
Oh my God. And they're expensive too. It's like designer pricing on this stuff.
Oh, and that person's wearing a onesie.
Supposed to protect your
that's a dress.
Identity and throw off the AI. Now, listen, this might be goofy. It might not be legit. I honestly don't know. But the concept was interesting to me. That if at some point...
Why?
That if at some point this was enough of a concern that people's style was actually influenced by the fact that they were being recognized on camera. Like I just thought that was kind of interesting.
Yeah.
Okay, so here's what they say. Let's just say what they say. Wearing an item in which an adversarial image is woven can protect the biometric data of a person's face that either will not be detectable or will be associated with an incorrect category such as animals, including dogs, zebras, or giraffes. The garments have been released on sale for 252 British pounds for a t-shirt, with sweaters at 370 pounds, jogging bottoms 245 pounds. The company Capable says the goal of the Manifesto collection is to raise awareness on the right to privacy and the protection of biometric data, which they believe an issue often underrepresented despite affecting the majority of citizens around the world. I don't know. Wouldn't it be easy to train this back out of systems if people actually enough people did this? Mm-hmm. Would that not be possible?
It's a cool project.
The concept.
Yeah.
Is a cool idea and a thought that didn't cross my mind that people would be doing this.
The patterns are kind of cool.
Maybe it would work.
Kirk would totally wear this.
I don't know if that's shots fired or not, but listen, maybe it is possible. Maybe it'll work. I don't know. Like I can't say without testing. It is definitely an interesting concept. But you're right. The dancing and the postures and stuff. And look, that's you rock climbing, Will.
Just hanging out.
Somebody in the chat says, or you could just wear a mask.
Yeah. I mean, that could work.
Would that possibly work as well and maybe not cost you 365 British pounds?
Mm-hmm.